Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to this e-learning class. Myself Asmita Miss. I hope you all are doing well at home, completing your homework regularly, washing your hand properly, using sanitizer, also staying home safely, and the most important, you all are completing your work regularly and daily. So students, today in grammar I will teach you a new lesson. The new lesson is lesson number 11, ly words. The name of the lesson is ly words. It means adverbs. This we have to learn. So first of all, let's read this sentence. The children are playing happily. The old man is walking slowly. Nina is drawing beautifully. Mohan writes neatly. So students, in this sentence the words which are given in red color, for example, happily, slowly, beautifully and neatly. In this word, ly is used. It means that these words are known as adverbs. Okay? Now, what is adverb? A word that describes or adds more information to a verb or an adjective or another adverb that is called adverb. So students, adverb tells us how, when and where the action is happen. That is called adverb. So look at the picture and read the sentences. A. The boy is running quickly. B. The man is snoring loudly. C. It is raining heavily. In this sentence also, students, you can see the word quickly, loudly and heavily. These words are also known as adverb. Here, for example, Radha sang. So Radha is a noun, means name of a person. So Radha is noun and sang is a verb. So students, Radha sang. In this sentence, we can't understand how Radha sang. So if you write Radha sang beautifully, Radha sang sweetly, Radha sang terribly. So if you use this word beautifully, sweetly and terribly, these words are known as adverbs. This word tells how the action is done. Okay students, so beautifully, sweetly and terribly are adverbs. So beautifully, sweetly and terribly are adverbs. Now the function of the adverb is determined by the question it answers. The word tell us about how the actions are done. They are called adverbs. So students, how the action or actions are done, that is called adverb. For example, slowly, kindly, sweetly, softly, these all words are known as adverbs. So students, if you ask a question to a sentence with how, and whatever answer will come, that is called adverb. For example, in our textbook, one table is given. Let's read this table. How did Gagan talk? He talked loudly. How did Gagan walk? He walked quickly. How does Gagan drink milk? He drinks milk carefully. How did Gagan write? He wrote neatly. So students, in this table, how word is used, and whatever answer we got, that is called adverb. For example, loudly, quickly, carefully and neatly are adverbs. For example, I ate my dinner quickly. Here quickly describes the action, the how action is done. So how the action is done? Quickly. So quickly is adverb. My father came home early. Here early describes the action word came. It is also known as came, also known as verb. So early describes the action verb came. So early is adverb. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. An adverb tells us how, where and when an action happens. We add ly to the describing words to get adverbs. So students, in adverbs we are using ly words to the describing word. These words tell us more about action words. So these words tell us more about the action verb or action words, that is called adverb. For example, she dresses elegantly. Here elegantly is a adverb and dresses is verb. So how she dresses elegantly. So elegantly is adverb. The princess has dressed up beautifully. Arun will write very neatly. The doctor treats the patient patiently. So beautifully, neatly and patiently, these words are known as adverbs. Here one rule is given. When a word ends in y, we change y to I and then add ly. For example, happy. The happy word ends with y, so we will replace y with I and we will use ly. So happy plus ly, happily. For example, it is raining heavily. Now students, here one table is given of adverb. Whatever we learned in previous slide, that is given here. For example, number 1, adverbs can be formed by adding ly to adjectives. For example, sweet, sweetly, soft, softly. Number 2, if adjectives end with y, adverbs can be formed by replacing y with I and adding ly. This rule we learned in previous slide. For example, dirty, dirtily, angry, angrily, happy, happily. Now students, after understanding the concept of adverb, let's read this or let's do this exercise from our textbook. So exercise A, write the ly forms to the words. So students, here you have to use ly form of the words. Number 1, lazy. Here the lazy word ends with y, so we will replace y with I and use ly. For example, lazy, lazily, sweet, sweetly, nice, nicely, playful, playfully, easy, easily, quiet, quietly, slow, slowly, complete, completely. Now exercise B, look at the describing words in bold. Complete these sentences with the correct ly words. For example, mother is angry, she speaks us angrily. Sana is happy, she shouts happily. The children are careful, they cross the road carefully. Garg is wonderful piano player, he plays the piano wonderfully. The kitten is hungry, it eats rice hungrily. Cindy is very neat, she folds the sheet neatly. Exercise C, write the missing ly word in each sentences. Here a box is given. From this box you have to fill the blanks with proper ly words. Number 1, snail moved slowly across the sand. The crowd cheered loudly for the winning team. Vicky, Ali and Asma shared the toffee equally amongst them. Shanti played the piano beautifully at the concert. The students read their books silently in the library. It is raining heavily outside right now. Michael completed his homework carefully. I hope you have reached home safely, said Hima. Now students, exercise D. Write these sentences of your own using these ly words. So students, in this exercise you can use your own sentences also. For example, number 1, loudly. The teacher shouted loudly. Number 2, brightly. The sun shines brightly. Number 3, quietly. Students did homework quietly. Number 4, cleverly. Raju has played cleverly. Now students, in these sentences you can use your own sentences also. Now students, understand the concept from the video and complete your homework you have received. Thank you.